What's up everyone? Today I've got a great video for you guys packed with education. I want to focus on the brand new Rapid Toners from Kenra. So today what we're going to do is we're going to color our model Jen. You can see her before. She's starting out, she's got a nice kind of rooty blonde going in. This is definitely a very salon reality situation. She's got some roots growing out a couple inches. Also her ends are sitting at about a level 7, 8. So we're going to go in there, we're going to pre-lighten her. So I want to do kind of a double process color. The thing I love most about the Kenra Rapid Toners is the fact that they tone hair in 5 minutes or less. So it takes your double process time and cuts it down because we're gonna spend a lot of time getting the blonde where we want it, at the level that we want it, and then I'm just gonna go in with that Rapid Toner and tone it out and send my guest on her way with beautiful blonde hair. So my process to start blonding Jen is pretty simple. I go in with 20 volume. This is the Simply Blonde Blue Powder Lightener from Kenra. I'm using that, I'm working it about 1/4 of an inch away from the scalp just to start. I don't want to put the lightener on her scalp right away. There's no reason to, but I do want to pop up her base level, staying away from mid shaft to ends because they're already blonde, and staying away from the scalp. Once I get done applying the root, then I go through and I touch up the base. So just going back through. So I do a quick process through it. I get through it. I want to make sure that I start the lifting process as evenly as possible. Then I'm going through and I'm putting it onto the scalp, really filling in that 1/4 of an inch that I left out at the beginning, and also double checking, making sure I don't have any holidays, that I didn't miss any spots at the root. Then once I get that done, then I start going back through and I start painting mid shaft to ends. Now this is a double process color. This is something I would not double book in the salon. I would make sure that I'm paying attention to it the whole way through. I think that what's gonna make you successful blonding hair in this way is that you babysit it the whole time. You're really there, you're working the lightener through, you're double checking, you're going over it, you're working the lightener into the hair. I think what happens, where the challenges happen, is when we paint the lightener on the hair, then we take our 30-minute processing time, we just let it be, and then we come back and we realize that we missed a little spot, and now you gotta play catch up. So just make sure that you're going through, working that lightener through the hair. I love this blue powder lightener. I feel like I have a ton of control with it. I also love the smooth consistency that happens with the mixing. So now that the blonding process is over, I'm super excited to get these Rapid Toners onto the hair. You can see it comes in multiple different tones. Today, what I chose was the beige tone. I'm also gonna show you guys the end result of each of these toners so you can get a visual for it. But for today on Jen, we chose the beige toner because really what I wanted to do is create just a really nice soft blonde. So the breakdown of these Rapid Toners is pretty simple. They have a quick processing time, 5 minutes or less. They're specifically designed to enhance blonde levels 8, 9, and 10. And they're offered in 4 shades, which we're gonna go over in the end. So we start the process of applying our toner. Now you're gonna see that I'm doing this in front of you guys on the camera. That's just because I'm not filming it at the shampoo bowl, which is where I would apply it in the salon. But for video's sake, I want to show you guys a clean application. So we're applying it to Jen's damp hair. So I did a little bit of a towel dry, wanted to get the porosity nice and even, didn't want some parts more saturated than others. And I go through scalp to ends and I create my application. One of my favorite things about the beige Rapid Toner is the fact that it's a violet base, which helps neutralize the yellow, creating a nice neutral beige result. So we let that process for 5 minutes, just got it on as quick as possible. And then as you can see, here's the end result of Jen's hair. Took her to this beautiful, beautiful, soft beige blonde. She was excited about it. She said that she's had really kind of brassy blonde hair for a very long time. So being able to easily put the Simply Blonde Blue Powder Lightener from scalp to ends, just lifting her up, nice and soft. You can see the consistency in it. And then in less than 5 minutes, being able to tone her, neutralize her. The power in these Rapid Toners, you would think something that happens so quickly would not give you these beautiful results, but that's not the case. This is definitely a go-to, especially if you like to do double process blondes. Being able to tone that fast in the salon saves a lot of time, makes you a lot more money behind the chair. So I want to share with you guys a little breakdown that we did with the mannequin, because you can see one tone live here on Jen, but I want to share with you guys all the different tones and let you see them side by side. So here is our mannequin. Right here in the front is a couple different shades that I really love. This is the beige tone that we were talking about that we used on Jen. You can see really consistent, nice soft blonde to it. This was all at a level 9, so very yellow, almost straw-like tone. And we went in here, applied each toner through. This one here you can see is the violet. Now, The biggest difference here is that this just has a little bit cooler cast to it. You can see some violet-y tones coming through it, really soft. So this is the violet pearl. So you can see that through there. You can see kind of the pearl tone living in some of the strands. Then in the back here, we have the silver violet, which you can see that silver cast coming through. So anybody that likes that silver tone to their hair, we have a lot of clients requesting that in the salon. This is definitely a great toner for that. And then one of my favorite things, you're gonna see this nice dark patch. This is not a toner, but we colored a panel on the back of this head, 5G, which you guys know out there is a 5 gold. It's a level 5 gold, very warm, kind of orangey tones underneath it. And what Kenra has done with these rapid toners is they've created something for you guys out there that always end up with that really warm, kind of orangey brown tone, and they have something that you can tone your brunettes with as well from a level 4, 5, and 6. And that toner is the green-blue rapid toner. So no longer are you in the salon and you color somebody's hair and they pull that warm tone, and now there's nothing you can do but recolor it. Now you can actually tone out those warmer tones using this green-blue rapid toner. So number one, I hope you guys found this video educational. I hope when you find yourself in the salon, you're looking for a toner that can do the job quick and with a great result. You think about the Kenra Rapid Toners. I'm really excited for you guys to try these. Please let us know in the comments if you have any questions. We'd love to hear your results. So make sure you're following everything that Kenra is doing on social media. So again, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe. A lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching.